Hey all, Christian Bryant here, founder and CEO of Dunbar. Today I want to show you how Dunbar lets you find and connect with anyone you need across your immediate and extended network. Once you've connected your LinkedIn or uploaded other network sources, you can run your first search. Let's go ahead and try founders of YC-backed companies. Now, this is a very contextual heavy search. I included the titles of the people I'm looking for, but I'm leaving it up to Dunbar to figure out what those companies are, validate if they have indeed been funded by YC, and then map the results to people in my first or second degree network. Let's go ahead and try it out. Awesome. So it found 143 people. And at a quick glance, I can see they're all super relevant. I can see that these are all founders of YC-backed companies, and I can also see who in my network is the best person to connect me. Let's go ahead and refine this query to get more of a narrowed shortlist. I want to see only founders of companies that have raised a Series A. Great, so you can see that Dunbar pared down my list. It took my query of only wanting to see founders who have raised a Series A, pared it down to 37 people. This is awesome. They're all super relevant, and that's great. Well, now what? I have this short list. Let's go ahead and start saving them. To start saving results from your short list, you just go ahead, select the people that you want to keep, and drag them over to a list. You can add them to an existing list, or we can create a new one here. Lists are far from static in Dunbar. Yes, we're going to show you all the basic information you need, who they are, their titles, your connections to them, relationship context. But what if you want more information? What if I wanted to know who all the competitors are of each one of these companies? Dunbar automate the entire research process all right here. I'll go ahead and create a new smart column, and then just describe the information I want. And we'll do multi-line text because we may get a lot. Hit save. And then we can just go ahead and run the data that we want to extract. And you can see it's starting to pull in competitor information about each company. Finding the right people and finding the right connections is just one part of the job to be done. Context is everything when you're trying to get connected to someone, whether it's for the direct person you're trying to reach out to or when you're asking for an intro to the connector. Again, Dunbar helps you get all the context. And last but not least, every search you do, every list you build can be shared out with collaborators in your network.